Hello guys, this is Bubbles and welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to Kia Gastonia for a car check-up. So let's go and samahan niyo ako.
Turn left, Interstate 485 southbound.
A few inches later.
So nandito na kami ngayon sa Kia of Gastonia. And yeah, we're waiting for parang ewan ko anong gagawin dun sa sasakyan namin, but anyway, actually talaga yung gusto ko talaga na car is sportage car, you know, yung mini SUV, yun talaga ang dream ko for now. For now. But I really like yung ano talaga ng Kia kasi parang subok na talaga para sa akin ha. But anyway, you have the right to choose naman. Yung sa mga disclaimer na they have their own preference kung ano talagang gusto nila na car. But for me, it's really I really like Kia Sportage. So ayun, ewan ko lang kung magkano siya, but I'm still working out for my driver's license. So I'm gonna take a computer test on December 10. So hoping and praying that I will pass the exam. And then I don't know yet kung makakuha ba ako ng brand new car. But anyway, it's dependent sa budget, but of course I'm not gonna pay it in cash. Syempre mga 5 years to pay, yung mga ganun. And then ayun, so sana makakuha ako this time, but siguro mga next year pa kasi mag-iipon muna ako. So ayan, so tingnan natin yung mga ibang car na kasi gusto ko din yung Sorento, but then mahal din eh. So ayun, so papasyal ko kayo, okay? So this is the Telluride SX V6. Ayan, ganda. I think this is 7-seater. Yeah, 7-seater. How much? Wow. Cost mga $44,240. Yeah. Mga 44,000 lang naman siya. My God. Siguro pag nakaano ako ng loto. Ayun. This is the K5. Ito yung bago nila. This is new. Yeah, K5. Ay, naku. Kahit na lang siguro, ganda ng mga car. Ayun doon. Rio. May 5 lahat eh. So, this is the steamer. Yan. Ang mahal. Nasa 43. But, it's really at this. Diba? Ano naman yung ano? That cost $43,000. Same as the Telluride. And this one is nice also. Ang ganda ng mga car. Ganda talaga ng car. Lalo na pagbago. Kia Forte LX. Kahit ito na lang. Nasa mga 20,000. Yeah, 20,000. Ang ganda. This one. This is LX Sport. Nasa 20,000. The same price. Same sila. But, kahit saan na lang siguro, guys. Nasa meron lang. That's 24. Oh, that's 24. Yeah. So, yung in front, ano, yan yung Honda. Tapos, I think meron pa dun sa unahan eh. Alam ko eh. Yan. Ito ang Celtis. Ganda din. Ganda talaga ng red. I love red. Red and black. Nice color. Para kitang-kita ka agad. Price. It's cost 24. Pero ito talaga yung crush ko. Ayan. The gray. Oh, I think this is the gray. The black. This one. Or this one. I love this. Ganda. Actually, I was talking to the salesman and then he said that it's the best thing to buy a car during like Black Friday. Kasi nga, di ba, pag Thanksgiving Day, so maraming mga promos, mga deals na mga talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. But the thing is, my problem is I'm gonna take my computer test on December 10. So, I don't know, sayang nga eh. Sana nung November ako nagpaano. Kasi wala kasing schedule sa DMV this November to take the exam. And, so, December 10 pa siya. So, kailangan ako mag-wait ng December 10, you know. So, anyway, kung talagang para sa akin yung car na yan, para talaga sa akin. So, ayan. Sana makabili ako soon. And so that's all for today's vlog, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And again, thank you for watching.